Okay guys, let's review today's price section and every trade I took today. Let's start with the economic calendar. As you can see, we have no news today, which means it's a clean trading day for me. I like these days. So let's start first with the forex strategy because I took a trade on that. So I was watching USDJPY and GBPJPY. I was watching those. On USDJPY, we had this daily fair value gap right here. I was looking for it to either be respected or go down through it. 4 hour was in a bearish state and the 1 hour was bearish as well. We ended up sweeping out a low of Asia and not offering any break structures or anything, which means no trade. Then let's do GBPJPY, which is where I actually executed, as you've seen on my stories. So we inversed yesterday this daily fair value gap, so I'm bearish. The next target for me is this weekly fair value gap right here. Because of that, we can see that we are also bearish right here on this 4 hour chart, and as well we have this order block right here. The price reached into right here and is moving down from it. The target is below here, so we are basically continuing with this trend. This was a retracement, and that retracement right here was actually a sweeping liquidity. So let's go to the 5-minute time frame and look at this a little bit. So not sure what this is. Okay, so we are in this 4 hour order block. I'll mark it out. With 2, we start looking, after 2, we start looking for trades. 2 to 5. We need to find a setup right here. Price after 2 ends up sweeping out the Asia high, which is right here. We sweep out that high, and we instantly reverse to the downside. I would like to see a break structure right here, but that did not happen. So what I did is I waited. I saw this 5-minute fair value gap right here. Price formed it, so I waited for it to do something. I waited for a break structure from the 5-minute fair value gap, either from this low or this low right here, or this low right here. So every new low that was formed, you'll look at the most recent lows. So price ends up retracing it to the 5-minute fair value gap. From there gives a strong break structure, which was my entry. The target was, so these are Asia lows right here, as you can see, or actually these, and those were the targets. So after we reached those, I put my stop to break even and let the rest run for 2 hours. Usually what I like to do with these trades, so if my trade is like this, and if I targeted the Asia lows, I would get maybe 1-to-1, and that's all, or maybe, as you can see, not even the 1-to-1. So what I do is I make it so that it's 1-to-2 at all times, but when it reaches the target, which is the Asia low, I put my stop to break even. That's exactly what I did, and as you can see, price ended up hitting. So it took them out and then retraced back up a little bit and then moved down for securing 2% with this trade. Yeah, that's it. USDJPY had no trades. Now let's go over to indices and let me review that. So here, what I was looking at in terms of the hard time frame. So we are obviously retracing on the daily time frame, and then I believe we are going to continue up. The 4 hour time frame, however, was moving down, and it's a bearish trend. So I was looking for it to retrace back into this 4 hour fair value gap, for it to then move down into these levels right here. What it did is it first took out the level right here, and then I was looking for a long. So at first we swept out this 50-minute buy side, reached to this order block, and then I started looking for sells. We moved down, we reached into we inverse this, we did a break structure, we retraced into this 5-minute fair value gap. I started looking for shorts, they do not appear. Okay, then I reanalyze, see that we swept out this low, and now we are inversing this and we are inversing this. So I was looking for a retracement back into this level. We also did a break structure here. I was looking for a retrace, something like this, or maybe into this order block at least, and then to give me a move up into the 4 hour fair value gap. As you can see, it didn't do that. It didn't retrace. It just went straight up. into that PRA, which I was looking for it to go into. So I was either looking, if you're looking at the 4-hour time frame, I was either looking for price to sweep out this low and then go up into the 4-hour fair value gap, or go up into the 4-hour fair value gap and then sweep out the low. In this case, the sweep first happened and then we reached to the 4-hour fair value gap. So that's the bias for today. And yeah, the reason why I didn't take any setups is because I did not get any confirmation. I mean, not confirmation, any retrace on the 5-minute time frame, which is why I did not enter. We also had an SMT on this low, so we had this one on our sell side, as you can see here, and on S&P that did not get taken out, which is another confluence for buys. Same on SPX. I wanted to see we inverse this and did a break structure here, so I wanted to see a retrace into this, and maybe I found a 1-to-1 or something like that towards the 4-hour fair value gap, but as you can see, it did not retrace, so I did not find any trades today, which is okay. I'm just here to follow my plan, and that's all I have to do. I'm not here to try and make some shit up that I see something so that I can enter into trades. I'm looking to execute my model, and that's it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new, and of course, I forgot to mention in the last video, I got my discount code, so you guys make sure to go check it out. It's with Instant Funding IO prop firm. It's in what's it called, description. Yeah, it's in the description. The gold is Leon Trades, or you can use the link in the description. Just when you purchase your challenge, type in Leon Trades, and you will get an 18% discount and 90% profit split. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one.